We decided to register a .wales domain name because we thought it was great for the brand, great for our identity as a business based in Wales and also with an international reach, and we were very happy therefore to get involved with the project. Having a strong online presence is critical really in these days to what we do with so much going through social media, digital communication, and our website is really our main connection sometimes with the people who come to the stadium who wish to engage with rugby in Wales. We didn't transfer the new domain name across as part of a new website offering. We had a website that was very mature with lots of pages on it, so we decided that we would just transfer that across. And it's not just the WRU domain name that we changed, but also the stadium. So we thought it was easier to transfer both across rather than starting new. We found the setup process very smooth and very easy actually. We got involved quite early on, and through some conversations we then were able to press the buttons on the launch date very smoothly. We'd certainly recommend other businesses to change or to use a .wales domain name. We found that it's a great thing for Wales, great thing for us as a brand. With our international reach, then hopefully we can also sell Wales when we're welcoming people to the country, but also use us as an organisation to push this project forward.